Forecast.
Good Thursday evening. There's a view from the Charlottesville camera, and yes, there is a little bit of light rain trying to fall, but for most locations it's pretty dry out there. It has been the case, but there have been a few thunder showers out and about this afternoon. Let's check in on the numbers. Currently at the airport, we check in at 85 degrees. The airport did touch 90 this afternoon, but the humidity is still very low with dew point values in the upper 50s. Matter of fact, that's where many of us began this morning. Quite refreshing. It's been all this week with these temperatures. 78 currently at the Valley Airport. Temperatures recovering from some of the showers and thunderstorms and some of the cloud cover out there from earlier. And again, some locations picking up a quarter to just under half an inch. But you can see where areas have been rain cooled. 70 in Waynesboro. It's 78 in Stanton. Then you see temperatures pretty much in the mid to lower 80s here across central Virginia. Again, a little bit of light rain falling here in downtown Charlottesville currently. Here's a view with NBC29's Doppler radar network, and basically this thunderstorm complex that came off the Blue Ridge really weakening now, but you can see some lighter rain from Charlottesville out toward Sismont, Lake Monticello, down toward Overton, Alberine, Covesville, back toward Lovingston. Again, kind of weakening in nature, and we'll be left with some cloud cover before that thins out. We've returned to mostly clear skies here this evening. There could be a little patchy fog, but you can see how it kind of weakens out as it moves off the mountains and farther across central Virginia. The winds aloft are not very strong to get these storms moving farther or more widespread across the region. So temperatures tonight, upper 50s, lower 60s with mostly clear skies returning. Tomorrow's a hot day comparison to where we've been all week. Most of us will be in the low 90s across central Virginia, upper 80s in the Shenandoah Valley. Not overly humid tomorrow, but certainly hot. And then the weekend, Saturday, likely to begin with a lot of clouds, maybe a few showers, but the clouds and an easterly wind will likely hold temperatures in the low and mid 80s. Then we jump back in the thick of things with the heat and the humidity here on Sunday, and that's just the beginning. Sunday into next week, a building heat wave once again. We can certainly use the rain. Moderate drought conditions still persist here and have expanded across central Virginia into the Shenandoah Valley. And looking at next week with increased heat and high humidity, that doesn't bode well for any widespread rain relief. So again, if you were fortunate to receive a little shower here this afternoon, again, you're one of the lucky ones. We still have that coastal front that's offshore. Essentially what's going to happen on Saturday is a new area of low pressure is going to ride up along this boundary, but most of that rain will be across eastern sections of the Carolinas, southeastern Virginia, and up toward the Delmarva. We'll be on the western side of that, and there'll be some more clouds building in, but the easterly winds on the backside of that system will likely keep temperatures a little cooler on Saturday, but the overall pattern is going to shift as we get into next week with this building ridge, and that's going to promote the heat and the higher humidity. So a big difference from what we've seen this week. So activity that's out there now fades away. Skies return mostly clear here for the overnight. Temperatures in the morning, upper 50s, lower 60s. And then we'll see temperatures heat up either side of 90 degrees for Friday afternoon. You see those clouds building in here on Saturday. Again, a lot of the rain is expected to stay off to our south and east, but we could see a few showers. Temperatures here on Saturday in the lower 80s before we heat things up by Sunday. So skies return mostly clear tonight. Still comfortable, upper 50s, lower 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Hot day tomorrow, but not overly humid. Again, a lot of clouds around at least to start Saturday. Could be a few showers the first part of the day, but not a whole lot of rain expected. But then the big heat, high humidity making a return for Sunday and much of next week. Low to mid 90s. Some of those heat index values during the afternoon could easily top 100. So I hope you enjoyed the respite we've had this week. That's for sure.
My, we did, but maybe not
it's
long
still
enough.
summer.
Yeah.
Thank you, Eric.